Hey guys, today we'll be discussing about rating link tools. On the platform down below in the navigation bar you can find for the app marketplace here and you can search for rating link tools. Here it is, you have to install it first. It's up to you, you want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts or you can choose them all. Let me show you how to do that. Here it is, install it first. If you choose a mode, it will be also giving you the option to enable automatic future installation. But right now we will be choosing a single specific account, that is location 1. Here it is. Continue with that, allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed. Now moving back towards the agency level. It takes a while. In the meantime, we can discuss the next step, that is moving forward towards the specific sub account on which we have installed rating link tools. It is, as you can see, it is installed. Choose location 1. We're here on the sub account now. The next step will be moving forward towards the automations to create a workflow to just check on the actions are working correctly or not. On the navigation bar, you can find for the automations here, and from there you can just create a workflow and start from scratch. We are here in the workflow builder now. Let's just create a new action and let's see what rating links tools is providing to us. Find for rating links. It is. You can just have your automations with Zappos, AliExpress, or Amazon as well. Let's go with Amazon right now. Here you have to provide the ID of that specific product on which you want the ratings. You can just copy the ID of that specific product and save the action now. And now we will be testing our workflows to choose any of the contact for the time being to set an example. Right now, run this test and head towards the execution logs. As you can see, the action has been executed successfully now. It is that simpler and easier. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.